Hello viewers, you can see the one simple Python program. We predict some just like counting running days with the numerical computing. The focus in of this video about the numerical computing with Python base to count the rain day with an year. So you can see the one simple data. We go to the desktop by research. You can see the file of the satellite 2014. It's very old data 2014. I will open it. You can see the data. So we our focus is to solve the problem of the numerical computing rather than the machine learning algorithms. Okay, so it is very just like a simple method to analyzing a running day. If you do not know the performance of the task numerical data in Python, we easily perform our task using the NumPy package. So let's start. You can see the NumPy library, pandas library. So using numerical calculation functions using uh, NumPy, you can see the two libraries, pandas, and here our data load. Read the CSV file, print all CSV file dataset heads. Okay, you can see the data heads, station name, date, RCB. So then after just check the value of the CRPC. Sorry, you can see the CRPC value. Okay, here. So CRPC values, after you can see the import the matplotlib, Seaborn library, Python library. Here the set of the inches and predict and sum the uh, just without rain with day rain and days rain more than 0.5 inches, after days 0 point less than 0.2. Here's some example of the result calculate of the counting rain days. It's very easy. You can see. I will open my terminal. Just run the command ls, means show the all files. You can see the python count renday.py. So you can see all heads. It's gonna show the all. You can see the 5 row 70 columns and also predict plot figure. Just I will press q button. You can see the 200, 15, 200, 150, 37 inches, 75 inches. It is very easily used to counting raining days. And I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.